This is the showcase day for the second year group projects, and today's a very exciting day in the school. The students present work that they've done with academics and industry partners as part of a programming project and get to show the fantastic work that they've produced to everybody else in the school.
So our project is designed for farmers to be able to plan their fields. So it's designed to be an intuitive web interface for farmers to be able to do this, because current tools that are out there are needlessly complex. Working with an industry partner was interesting to see how requirements change across the course of the project. What happened for us is we got the overview of the core idea of what the industry sponsor wanted, and from that we had to determine very specific requirements for what we should implement. And we constantly got back and forth feedback throughout the course of the project, and that influenced the course of development.
Our project is a data-driven tool that is designed to help users make a decision on whether an EV is suited to their lifestyle or not.
There are lots of different tools dotted around on the internet. However, there's no place where you can go and get access to all those tools on one website. We're trying to bring them all together in one useful place.
Working with the sponsor is good because they tell us what they want and we have pretty much complete freedom in how to implement it and what we can add extra stuff on top of it. So it's a way to not only get some of their personality into the project, but a way to express ourselves in our own project as well.
We were tasked with creating a digital replica of someone. So we had to create a model that was as authentic as possible to our subject, which was our academic supervisor.
One of the main use cases that we have at the moment built in is for students to ask questions on things that they're stuck on in the module. Go and talk to the AI version of her instead, and it should be more comforting than just asking a LLM the same question. Have more context on what the thing you're working on is.
They organize themselves really well, so that kind of independence and independent problem solving is really what we like to see. People who bring solutions when they find problems and not just come and ask for what the solution should be and only bring problems. Yeah, that's very important for us.
The experience was invaluable, especially hoping to get a job after you graduate, because our industry partners were really involved in a good way. We had regular meetings with them and we discussed what we'd done, and then they'd give us some advice, some help, some industry tips, and then they'd give us some suggestions for what to do. But they were really good because they didn't try and over-suggest. They kept the right amount of involvement. In the real world, things go wrong because we had issues that we didn't really see, and it's how you deal with those issues and continue to work on the project despite them that I think I learned.
I think the biggest takeaway from this is the importance of getting the start of the project right, because that really influences the momentum for the rest of the project. That momentum can really help carry you forward.
I think it's been really marvelous. I had the opportunity to have very good teammates with different skill sets. So some of them were more focused on art and making assets. Some of us, like me, were focused more on the gameplay, and others were focused on DevOps technologies and networking.
I learned a lot about communication and team management. Obviously, when you've got a large group of people, everyone has different backgrounds, everyone has different experience, and you have to come together as a team to create one project. You learn a lot about how to communicate to people, how to explain what you're doing, how to understand what they're doing, and how to be a good listener.
Some of our industry partners actually do present internship opportunities during the day. Some former students have gone on to work with the industry partner that they did their projects with. So yeah, it is a good way to network and develop connections with industry and understand what industry wants of the modern student, because it can be hard to understand that when you arrive from school or wherever you've come from.
I've already been round to see a couple of projects. Just looking at what everyone's made is quite inspiring to see how much people can do, and I think it's really good. It's like a careers fair, we've done our presentation now, I don't feel any stress. It's just can we show off what we've done and hope it still works?